on this episode of Doorbell News.
Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I need to know where my mom is.
She's not in this dwelling. I don't know your mom. Hey, no, stop!
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is what happens when you leave your keys in the door. Yeah, this guy drove off with someone's RAV4. Always remember to grab your keys out of the door. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
Oh, hey, happy Thanksgiving. We're so thankful you're here. Sit tight. We'll be there in a moment.
Hi. Does Casey live here? Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Here, I just got out of Walmart and I found this in the parking lot.
Oh my
So
God.
I did pull out his ID because I didn't know who it belonged to. So
You're a good man.
I didn't take anything from it, by the way.
I appreciate that so much.
So if you get, I messaged him on Messenger, but I didn't get a response. I was like, I'll just drop it. So, you guys take care.
Yeah, there's good people in the world. This guy brought back this man's wallet. Good for him. Birmingham, Alabama. Meanwhile, check her out. She goes for a colorful box and then she takes off with her neon green shorts. You know what time of the year it is. Yeah. Houston, Texas. This guy comes ringing somebody's doorbell at almost 5 a.m. I don't know what he wants. It looks like he has to use the bathroom or something. Hey, buddy, I'm in here sleeping. I gotta wake up in an hour. Get lost. Bethany, Oklahoma. Yeah, people always going for those cushions. You definitely can't leave nice pillows outside anymore. This guy's gonna take my good cushion. I like that cushion. Cambridge, Massachusetts. Apparently, we have an adult pumpkin smasher. I mean, I thought this was something that only kids did. This guy looks like he's about 60 years old. Hey, buddy, you need to find a better way to handle your anger management. Get lost. Long Beach, California. Yeah, check her out. Another grandma porch pirate. She looks like she's about 60 going on 16. She's still somebody's welcome home sign, and then she takes off. Birmingham, Alabama. This neighbor wanted to leave a message for all of her other neighbors. Check out what she had to say.
Hey you guys, so I'm fairly new to the neighborhood, and since I moved over here, I have been harassed. And when I say harassed, I have been harassed. My car was broken into, has been thrown in my yard, just all type of harassment, and I needed to stop. So I am here on Ring to make a declaration of independence for my community. I need my community to work with me and not against me. I don't bother anybody. I stay in my lane. I don't even really talk to my neighbors. So I don't understand why I'm being harassed, but I have been being harassed. So this is my message to my community to please just leave me alone. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much. Hey, neighbor. Good.
Yeah, well, thanks a lot for the message. Hopefully they leave her alone or something. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. What's this guy doing, like a Beyonce wiggle dance or something? Looks like he's trying to steal a doorbell. Get lost. Long Beach, California. This female porch pirate is out trying to get somebody's mailbox open. She comes prepared with a screwdriver. Hey, you're not the mail woman. What are you doing in my mailbox? Get lost! Houston, Texas. Never open your door at this time of night for strangers. It's 3 in the morning, and this guy rings someone's doorbell.
Is Dale here? You gonna talk to him? Who is it? Laddie. Hi, is Dale here? Who? Dale. No, wrong house. All right, thank you.
The homeowner definitely shouldn't have opened the door. He should have spoke to him through his video doorbell. Houston, Texas. These guys see a for rent sign up in someone's front yard, and instead of just writing the number down, they decide to snag the sign and walk off. Again, looks like a couple of immature adults. These guys look to be about 40 years old, and they're still doing goofball stuff. Get lost! Tampa, Florida. Check this guy out. It's 1 a.m. and he's out wiggling people's doorknobs. This is why you always gotta keep those doors locked. Yeah. Get lost! Washington, D.C. Do I gotta keep saying it over and over again? Stop leaving those nice pillows out on the front porch. These porch pirates love pillows. The homeowner catches them in the act, but it's too late. They're gone with her nice pillows.
Hey!
Washington, D.C. A neighbor catches a porch pirate in the act. She tries to reason with him, but he takes off. And now the moment everyone's been waiting for. Birmingham, Alabama. Check this guy out. He walks up to a woman's house saying he's looking for his mother, but he's definitely at the wrong house.
You?
My mom is there.
I think you have the wrong place.
I think I have the wrong place.
Yeah. I don't know your mom.
Never heard of her.
Mary.
No, I don't know that person. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I need to know where my mom
She's
is.
not in this dwelling.
She's not here, mama's boy. Get lost!
Uh,
Hey, no, stop! I will shoot!
what? I'm sorry.
No, I'm calling the police.
Yeah.
Why are you calling the
Because you
police?
tried to enter my residence.
No, I was trying to use the...
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.